Designs Mobile One.
It was great to get out to SEMA this year. I was able to reconnect with some old friends, meet some new friends, some really talented people, and see some really unique builds. I saw a lot of details and things that I really like. The details really make the difference between just knock it out of the park build and just a regular ho-hum build. One of the details that I noticed that was new this year was these smooth door handles. I wasn't sure what the deal was. I've seen pocket handles. I've seen on suicide doors lever handles, and there's all kinds of different ways to do it. But these smooth door handles were impressive. I wasn't sure how they work or what the deal was. You've seen the shaved door handles where you have to do a popper, a little remote control to pop them open. But this one, it looks clean. It doesn't look like anything's missing. It looks complete, and it works awesome. I got together with Kevin from Kindig It Designs, and he was kind enough to show me how it works and explain it to me like I was 5 years old. Here's how that went.
It works super easy. Just push in with your thumb, pull out with your hand.
That is so smooth, so clean.
Yeah, and it's all mechanical, so even if your battery's dead, they'll still work.
No need for a remote. You still have that smooth look like a shaved.
And like
That's
I said,
awesome.
These classic cars, we think you really need to have something still there. Shaved handles are cool, but these are way cooler.
Way cooler. Awesome. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
No worries, man.
In this video, we've covered two of them. We've covered just the bars type and the square button. But there's all kinds of different classic cars that you may want to do, and they've got different fits so that it looks OEM, just a lot cleaner. So these are the different designs that they have. There's a lot of other videos on this, on installing them. They are a little expensive. The install is expensive. It takes some welding. But the end result, as you can see, is gorgeous.